guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install a WinRAR 64-bit and 32-bit to Windows. You go into this link and it's gonna be in the description below, and you install it. And there's installing. I'm gonna clip it and it's gonna be there when I'm installed. When you have installed it, just open the zip file. So I show you that it's not a virus or anything. I'm gonna delete the WinRAR. So I show you. I need to reboot to delete, really, but I'm not gonna do that. So, how to know if you have 64-bit or 32? So, see here and here. See that? Then we need to install this one. So, get that one out. So, right there. You enter and open this one, and there will be like a little song or just birds, and you click on this final setup and just say yes and install. And when it's, just choose everything on him. So now it's installed.
Look, Mommy,
You're supposed to have it here. Yeah, there's a little song going on there. Just when you have put the rim right there, click on the final key gauge generator, the one, and exit this one. So when you have this one here, you should go into again. There. So you go to computer. Oh wait, I need to wait a minute. Go to computer and program files and choose your WinRAR. There. Then you open this one and click on the key generator 1. Extract that into WinRAR file. And then use the remove and replace. Continue. And there it is. Now it works. Come over now down, and it's full. We're dead. So thanks for watching. The link gonna be in the description below. So install it. See you guys.